In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Analytics to Wix. First, sign into your Wix account and open the website you want to connect to Google Analytics. Next, go to your Google Analytics account and create a property if you haven't already. Once the property is created, copy your measurement ID, which usually starts with G-. After that, return to your Wix dashboard. Click Settings and then select Marketing Integrations. Now, find Google Analytics in the list of available integrations and click Connect. Next, paste your Google Analytics measurement ID into the required field and click Save. After that, publish your website if you haven't already. Google Analytics only starts collecting data from published websites. Now, visit your website and browse a few pages to generate some activity. Next, return to Google Analytics and open the real-time report to confirm that your website is sending data successfully. Finally, allow some time for analytics to collect more visitor information so you can begin tracking traffic, user behavior, and website performance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Google Analytics to Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.